Welcome to today's deep dive. I'm your host, and we really have a wild one for you today.
We do, and I'm thrilled to be here to provide the expert breakdown on this material.
Yeah, so our mission right off the bat is analyzing this groundbreaking 2026 technical briefing from 206 Innovation Inc.
Which is completely redefining the field.
Right. It basically signals the end of probabilistic AI and the birth of what they're calling geometric determinism.
It is a massive paradigm shift.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
Because the core problem they are solving is huge. Modern AI models have hit what this briefing calls an entropy wall.
Right, and to understand the entropy wall, you have to realize that current AI models just guess. They suffer from entropic drift.
Meaning they hallucinate, right?
Exactly. They actually think less effectively as problems get harder because they lack a physical anchor.
Wow.
And what's fascinating here is that this probabilistic guesswork has real-world consequences.
For you, the listener, and our entire power grid.
Yes. A staggering 40% of current GPU cluster energy is wasted processing physically impossible data paths.
So we are literally burning electricity calculating scenarios that defy physics.
Exactly. It is a massive energy drain hiding in the code.
Which brings us to the mind-bending fix. Curvature Variable Physics.
And the hardware behind it, the Curvature Vector Engine.
Also known as the CVE, right? The briefing mentions this mathematical framework called the Dylan operator.
Right, the Dylan operator.
It ties computation directly to space-time geometry.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, it allows for something called geometric pruning.
So forcing the AI into a mathematical green zone.
Yes, a green zone that strictly obeys physical laws. By pruning out those impossible paths, compute waste drops by 40%.
And computational drift is eliminated entirely. It stops guessing.
It becomes a fully deterministic engine.
But here's where it gets really interesting for you. Operation Geodesic Anchor.
This is the wildest part of the briefing.
In June 2026, they are lowering a highly sensitive refractance sensor array, or RSA, into a 2-kilometer borehole.
Down at Yellowstone's Norris Geyser Basin.
Tapping into a supervolcano to fix AI. I mean, why?
Because of the magmatic flux. They use Yellowstone's raw geometry as a physical anchor to calibrate the AI's weights.
So because the AI is tethered to real-world physics, you get perfect reliability.
Exactly. It enables true physical AI for robotics.
Meaning a robot will actually possess 100% deterministic spatial awareness. No walking into solid concrete walls.
Precisely. And for digital platforms, it powers a safe bet overlay,
which provides mathematical receipts for sub-10-second sports micro-betting.
It brings undeniable physical integrity to the digital world.
So what does this all mean? We are entering the era of the Antikythera solution, trading brute force for geometric precision.
And they are going to prove it very soon.
Yeah, on June 16th, 2026, there is a massive live stream. They will show Yellowstone data actively dropping and NVIDIA clusters power consumption in real time.
But this raises an important question for you to mull over.
Tell them about the cosmic implications.
The source suggests this geometry-first framework implies that massive cosmic mysteries, like dark matter or the inflationary expansion of the universe, might be wrong.
Just artifacts of our previously flawed understanding of propagation.
Yes. If correcting this math cures AI of its hallucinations, what universal hallucinations in modern physics will this new engine disprove next?
That is an incredible thought to leave you with. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.